What if I told you that simply not eating for a certain period of time could trigger one of the most powerful healing systems inside your body? No pills, no expensive treatments, just your body doing what it was naturally designed to do. Right now, most people eat every 3 to 4 hours. Breakfast, snacks, lunch, more snacks, dinner. But your body was never built for constant feeding. In fact, this modern eating pattern may be shutting down critical repair mechanisms that only activate when you stop eating. When you fast, your body doesn't just wait for food, it transforms. Hormones shift, fat starts burning, damaged cells get recycled, your brain becomes sharper, your gut heals, even your immune system gets stronger. And here's the most fascinating part. All of this happens in stages, hour by hour. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what happens inside your body at 12 hours, 18 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours, and even 72 hours of fasting in a way that's simple, clear, and backed by real biology. By the end, you'll understand why fasting is not starvation, it's activation. 0 to 12 hours. When you stop eating, your body doesn't immediately switch into fat-burning mode. Instead, it begins by using the energy already available in your bloodstream and stored in your liver. During this period, your body is still running on glucose, sugar, from your last meal. Insulin levels start to slowly drop. Digestion gradually slows down. At around 10 to 12 hours, something important starts happening. Your body begins shifting away from constant sugar burning and prepares to tap into stored energy. Growth hormone starts rising. Around the 12-hour mark, your body begins increasing growth hormone levels. This is critical because growth hormone supports fat burning, helps preserve muscle mass, aids in cell repair and recovery, plays a role in anti-aging processes. Many people inject synthetic growth hormone for these benefits, but fasting naturally stimulates it without side effects. Fat burning begins. As you move past 12 hours, your body starts running low on immediate glucose. Now it begins tapping into stored energy. What changes here? Your body starts breaking down glycogen, stored sugar in the liver. Fat breakdown begins to increase. Insulin drops further, making fat burning easier. At this point, your metabolism is becoming more flexible, switching from sugar dependence to fat usage. Autophagy turns on. This is where things get truly powerful. At around 18 hours of fasting, your body activates a process called autophagy. What is autophagy? Autophagy literally means self-eating. But don't worry, it's actually a good thing. Your body begins breaking down damaged proteins, removing cellular waste, recycling dysfunctional components into new building blocks. Think of it like a deep cleaning system inside your body. Why is this important? Over time, your body accumulates damaged proteins, toxic byproducts, misfolded cells. These can interfere with normal function and contribute to aging and disease. Autophagy helps clean up this internal clutter, improve cellular efficiency, support tissue regeneration. Even harmful protein buildup, like those linked to brain issues, can be reduced during this process. Ketosis and deep healing. At around 24 hours, your body undergoes a major metabolic shift. Glycogen stores are depleted. Your liver has now used up most of its stored glucose. So what happens next? Your body switches to a new fuel source, ketones. What are ketones? Ketones are molecules made from fat that your body uses for energy when glucose is low. This is called ketosis. Why is ketosis powerful? Ketones are a cleaner, more efficient fuel, a natural appetite suppressant, supportive of brain function, rich in antioxidant properties. Many people report reduced hunger, increased mental clarity, stable energy levels. Inflammation drops. At the 24-hour mark, inflammation begins to significantly decrease. Conditions like joint pain and swelling may improve. This is because insulin is low, oxidative stress is reduced, and the body shifts into repair mode. Gut healing begins. Your digestive system finally gets a break. Without constant food intake, the gut lining begins repairing. Digestive organs reduce workload. Imbalances like bacterial overgrowth can start correcting. This is especially helpful for people dealing with bloating, digestive discomfort, microbial imbalance. Brain function improves. Your brain benefits massively at this stage. A key compound increases called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This supports growth of new brain cells, better memory, improved focus. Your brain literally becomes more efficient and resilient. Cellular efficiency and protection as fasting continues. Your body becomes highly efficient. It starts conserving resources intelligently. Muscle preservation happens. Contrary to common belief, your body doesn't immediately burn muscle. Instead, growth hormone protects muscle tissue. Fat becomes the primary fuel. Protein recycling provides amino acids. Immune system activation. Your body also breaks down weak or damaged immune cells, prepares to regenerate stronger ones. This is part of a natural reset process. Stem cell activation. At around 48 hours, your body enters a deeper repair phase. Stem cells are stimulated. Stem cells are unique because they can turn into different types of cells. This means your body can replace damaged tissue, repair organs, improve regeneration. This is one of the reasons fasting is linked to anti-aging effects, faster recovery, improved resilience. Mitochondria increase. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of your cells. Fasting helps increase mitochondrial efficiency, improve energy production, reduce fatigue, deep immune reset. At around 72 hours, the body reaches a profound level of regeneration. What happens here? Old immune cells are cleared out. New immune cells begin forming. Stem cell activity increases even more. This can lead to stronger immune defense, better response to stress, increased healing potential. Additional effects of fasting. Cholesterol changes. Some people notice an increase in LDL during fasting, but this doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong. Cholesterol is used for building cell membranes, producing hormones, supporting healing. During fasting, your body may increase cholesterol transport because it's actively repairing tissues. Cortisol and morning blood sugar. In the morning, cortisol naturally rises. This can cause temporary increase in blood sugar. This is normal and often improves over time. Light exercise in the morning can help regulate this effect. Best fasting strategy for beginners. A practical approach is 18-6 intermittent fasting. Fast for 18 hours, eat within a 6-hour window. Example, eat between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. Fast from 6 p.m. to the next day, 12 p.m. This provides consistent fat burning, moderate autophagy, sustainable routine. Extended fasting, advanced. Longer fasts, 48 to 72 hours, can provide deeper benefits, but should be done occasionally, require proper preparation, and need adequate nutrients. Important tips while fasting. To stay safe and effective, stay hydrated. Consume electrolytes, especially salt. Ensure adequate vitamins and minerals. Avoid jumping into long fasts suddenly. Build up gradually. Fasting is not about deprivation, it's about activation. When you stop eating for a period of time, your body doesn't weaken. It adapts, heals, and optimizes itself in ways that constant eating simply doesn't allow. From fat burning, cellular cleanup, brain enhancement, immune strengthening. Fasting unlocks systems that are already built into you. The key is understanding how and when these changes happen and using that knowledge wisely. If you want, I can now just tell me.